So today I'm going to begin working on, I'm going to see if I just can't redo all of this and have new wiring for all my lights. This stuff may work, but I don't want to fool with this. I'm gonna go to auto or advanced auto parts or whatever. See if I can find, I'll probably have to keep these. See if I can find these, but the rest of it I can redo. All right, so got all my stuff, shrink wrap, shrink tubing, a couple spools of wire. I really could use a third color, but I'll just label them. Got some connectors. Probably don't need but about 2 each. Found the bulbs that I need. Of course, I don't need them now. But I did find them. Tape, tools, coffee. Kids are down in the woods playing. And here's all this garbage. I'm gonna see if I can recreate it. Peel all this old stuff off. I do have 3 individual wires in here. A yellow one with a brown stripe, a brown one, and a black one. I'll just use a white and a red, and I'll put a mark on the other white one. Got this little clip piece off of our junk front end. I'm gonna keep on pick that thing clean. It's good. It's been a good source of a lot of parts. Okay. All right, this video probably won't be all that interesting, but it's really for me. I'm going to use red for this yellow with a brown stripe. Undoubtedly, I believe I'll run into that wire under the dash and coming out of the light switch and all that, so red will be yellow with brown stripe. We'll get a little bit, give it a little bit bite on that, a little better bite. Something about like that. And let's see. That ought to be enough of that. All right, so got the plug put back in place. The white replaced the brown, the solid brown. So that's what I've got so far. There's 2 out of the 3. I'm gonna run over to Daddy's and see if I can find another one of these. I got this shrink tubing on there. I think it's okay. Just kind of seems a little thin. So I'm going to see if I can't, oh, I'm sorry. See if I can't double this one up. All right, got 2 on there. Probably don't need to be shrunk, but I'm going to. Yeah, I feel a lot better about that. All right, I'm done. So, got that on there. That'll work. Got the plug, showed you that. All these wires will go together with that, and I can kind of wrap some tape around that, put them together with that clip. All right, so the white one without the ground was the brown wire. The white one with the ground is a black with a red stripe. Cat. Black with a red stripe. That's this white one that goes to this ground and then over to this other light. I'm going to attempt to put a line on it to differentiate. I did. I got a black line drawn on that one. I also, just for my sake, labeled them. This was a brown wire, original. This was the yellow with a brown stripe, and then this one was black with a red stripe. So, that side is completed. I have 2 college degrees, and I don't think I have ever been as confused as I have been with this wiring. It's not so much the actual lighting connections as it was what goes to what, how all this ties into this one, and I don't even know that I'm going to be able to find one of these. So I eventually just scrapped the whole idea of trying to match up color to color. I found some wiring diagrams online. None of them match mine, and so I just gone red and white. I know what they go to. I tell you what I have done. I've marked on my I'll show you this one. So I marked reverse. This is hot. Here's the ground. I marked them up here as well. Just kind of showing where they go. I'm not going to tape the whole thing up yet in the event that I have to take them apart because something isn't wired correctly. I want to get inside and press on the brake and that light come on. I don't think that's going to be the case, but it all depends on how I wire this thing up. Anyway, I'll show you my progress. So that's the bottom, top, tail light, brake light, all parking light, all right here. This goes to the parking lot on the side, a little side marker. This is the ground. All this comes out here, comes across. These two go to the tag. So you see I've got tag written on there, either side of the the license plate, and that's run to the parking light. The rest of it runs to here. I've got it put together. Come over here. I'm gonna probably have to move that. I've got another one. And then the same over here. Plugs into the side marker, ground. There's the ground, the parking lot, brake. So I'll put it all together, just see if it all does what I want it to do, and then I'll wrap it. That's a lot better from what I started with, huh?